Hey everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we successfully set up the video call. Now it's time to add the functionality of these keys. So let's close other tabs that we don't need here. Let's go ahead inside the main screen and add the functions that we need for the buttons inside the video screen. The first one is use ViewModel to add a function named switch camera. Let's add it. It's going to use WebRTC factory.switch camera, simple as that. And on end call, we use ViewModel again. End call, simple as that. We will have a function, private fun finish call. It actually is going to use RTC clients on destroy the RTC clients and make it null. And use WebRTC factory and use onDestroy and set connection state to waiting for call again. So we wanna finish the call, but first we wanna send a signal to the target. So send end call signal to target that we just saved inside the class as the global variable. Let's create this function. Use socket client to send data to host. Create a signal message model. The type of it is going to be end call. Sender is us, of course. Target is equal to target. Now we know how to send the signal, but we don't know how to handle the end call whenever it receives as a signal. So handle end call. Let's receive the message. Let's create this function. We simply want to use finish call here again. So we don't need this message. Now let's go back and check for toggle mic. Use ViewModel, toggle mic, and pass the enable to it. Let's create this one. We use WebRTC factory again to toggle mic and pass enable to it. Let's create toggle camera function here and use WebRTC to toggle camera, pass enable to it. Go back to main screen. Use ViewModel.toggle camera, pass enabled. And for the speaker, we need to add some helper class here. I'll add the RTC audio manager class here. There are so much inside this class that helps you to switch between the earpiece and speaker or the headset. But for now, we just use a simple implementation of it. First, let's write the function named ViewModel.toggle speaker and pass this speaker to it. Let's create this function. Right here, we need an instance of the RTC audio manager. Let's go up here. We use private val RTC audio manager, and it's going to initialize lazily like this RTC audio manager that create and pass the application to it that we will add here. Private val application of Android app. Actually, we don't need them. And inside the init block of our view model, we wanna set the default device to RTC audio manager, audio devices, and use speakerphone. So this one is going to be our default. Now let's go inside our toggle speaker. We want to check if speaker. Use the RTC audio manager to set default audio device, RTC manager, audio device and set it to a speaker. Otherwise, we wanna use this one also, but this time set it to earpiece. Remember, if you don't have the permission of modify audio settings inside your manifest, you won't be able to enable speakerphone. Now, there are some to-dos left inside my view model to handle whatever the destroying WebRTC factory or other stuff. Let's implement it. The first thing that I see is handle reject call. So what we do here, we want to simply use WebRTC factory and press undestroy. And the next to do is whenever the start call with timeout is called and we didn't get any kind of offer, we want to use WebRTC factory undestroy again. And incoming call dismissed also, we want to use WebRTC factory undestroy again. And looks like we are good to go. Nope, inside unclear, we also want to destroy the WebRTC factory and use socket client to close. So we should be able to test it right here. I'll copy this username here. Let's press call, accept it. We should be able to see both of the audio and video is running. Now we should be able to change the camera here like this, and also here like this. We should be able to disable the media track and also the audio track, of course, and set them back and switch between the earpiece and speaker mode. Also, one important thing is to when you press the end call, you should be able to see that the camera and the microphone icon goes away. So we should be able to call back again without any sort of problem. Let's test it again. Yep, you can see the call is back again without any sort of trouble. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you will watch the other series inside this tutorial, which is the iOS and the website version. Make sure you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share my videos. That helps the community a lot. And also, if you want to hire me to do your streaming project and other stuff like this, you can send an email to CodeWithKael@gmail.com or direct message me inside the Instagram or Telegram with the same ID of CodeWithKael. If you have any sort of question, drop it inside the comment section below. Thank you for watching again. See you everyone.